come in. That's just a nice view. Look at some nice block of building. Look at that. Yes, there is some nice block of building anyway. That's the Hilton Hotel, and that's the traffic light. Well, these are new build, so they looks nice anyway. Yeah. As you see all the way up this building. Actually, this is a nice place to look at the building down there. There you go, some nice posh building. Well, I live in here, so I'm posh as well. As you see, there's some building down there. That's the Canary Wharf. That's Isle of Dog. Let's go inside to see. There's a small forest here. As you see, it looks nice, isn't it? There used to be water here, but no more water here, so it looks nice. As you see, it's like a small jungle area. So now they find place like this is not easy. So there is bridge, and yeah, look at that. It's really nice, it's really nice. I like that. I like it. So as you see, this place is nice and beautiful. Probably someone coming this way. I'm not going that further. See, I think they're planning to make something here. So on the left side, and they close the area, so they probably have some plan. So this place I like it because it's nice and simple. It's like oxygen, you're gonna get so much tree here, but you have to be careful when you come summer, because summer is from pollen, you're gonna get hay fever. So you have to really careful when you come in summer. However, rather than that, everything is fine. There is a water, I remember, but there is no water now, as you see. So there's no water now, so yeah. But as you see, there is some, well, like, what can I say? Rich people are taking over everything, so we can't really do much. So we can't really do much. It's a nice place. That's a DLR. It's a DLR train again, as you see. So they go rental apartment if you come here, so you can come and have a look. They open a new place here. That's a private dentist place here. This is a flat. So they opened recently E14 here. You see, that's a building. They open E14 here, so if you can come and join. I know E14 is expensive, but they do good gym. They got good gymming system. And look at this building. Wow, it looks amazing, wonderful. Wow, 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 wow. Look at those buildings. It's a very good construction. There's some pool area. These are all new build. It's maybe 5 years. 5 years now they build this. They build this nearly from last 5 years. They hand over to the people. Probably these are hostel, or maybe these are apartment. But you need to remember they're very expensive. So yeah, wow, as you see, this is a really nice place to live. As you see here, everything is beautiful. There's a small park down there. People are playing here. A nice little space. I know there's a mosque down there. So if you look, they look so beautiful. Look at from this side, yeah. If you look here, look at this building. Look at this building here. And here. And here. All the way up. If you go back there, look at this. There is some restaurant, is it? Probably Chinese or Japanese restaurant. Well, I never try. I don't think so they're halal. But let's go and have a look, see. There's a restaurant down there. So it's a Chinese restaurant probably. I don't know. Probably Chinese, probably Japanese. I'm not sure. So mostly I'm looking for halal restaurants. I don't think so. That one is halal. As you see this building, wow. This is probably 15 years old. Because this one looks quite a little bit older. These are the new construction. So still there will be 10 years old maybe. There's a nice little view here. As you see. See, there you go. That's the building. I need a view for it. Yeah. This is a primary school. And down there there's a Tesco, some local shop and other stuff. So yeah, let's go back there, see how it works. You see some, wow, you see that's a Land Rover. That's one of the posh Land Rover. There's another Land Rover. So there's some more, like, look at this. There's another Land Rover is coming. So yeah, when you live in this area, you need to make yourself lucky, you know, because rent here is going to be very expensive. So it's very expensive. So if you wanted to live here, you have to spend huge money. If you like, you have to be afford, no, you know. So if you can afford, you can't able to live here anyway. So yeah, let's go this way. I show you already this site, but I'm gonna show you again. See if you can maybe have a proper view. And in summer, people that come down here, they take sun, so they lay on the floor so they can have sun. So this nice place. Even I bring my family here as well. So yeah. So this is there's a little bit coffee shop here as well, so you can come here for a little coffee. This is the place. So as you see this place, wow. Look at this. These are all luxury new build apartment, and yeah. You see, these are all luxury new build apartment. These are all luxury new build apartment. Look at that Mercedes down there. Look at that one Jaguar. That's gone. That's a BMW. Oh, there's another Range Rover, and that's the another apartment. So yeah, as you see, these are all luxury places. That's the benches, that's kids play area. hmm Yeah, look at the posh building, wonderful. Yeah, that's some that's a college.
When you email,
That's Morgan, St. Morgan. This is expensive. So guys, I'm gonna end my video here. Just to yeah, thank you very much everyone. Watch my video London Alley. I tried to make some nice video, but if you think my video is good, so like and share. And thank you. Have a good day, guys. And this is the last look I can show you. And I'll see you next time. Thank you, guys.